Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be testing out new products by Made by Mitchell as they come in the mail today. I have already opened them but I haven't tested them on my face yet because they come today and I've only just got back from my mates, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm back. These are some of the products we're going to be trying today and I cannot wait. I've got two different blushes and a beam gloss, which I've never ever tried. I've got a blue mascara, which I have not tried, and I've got two pressed blushes. So first we're going to give these little swatches so you can see exactly what they look like on the skin, and then I will do my makeup and I'll be back to put these on. So the first blush I got this separately, was a Shy Boy. Now I've seen Made by Mitchell use this literally every day, and honestly I'm so glad I got this shade. I was stuck between Very Berry and a Shy Boy, but I was like, I love the Shy Boy name, so that's what I'm going to do. I have already swatched it on my hand for my TikTok, so I'll show you there. That's what it looks like dry though, so I'm going to show you what it looks like when you first put it on. Look at that, it's such a nice colour. Like, this is probably like one of my perfect blushes. People texting me again, Jasmine. Next blush I think I got this in the Newness mystery bundle, and this is Blowing Kisses, which I absolutely love. This pink, it's similar to my Sweet Cheeks one, but I think it's lighter, no, it's darker, it's more pink, but it's just a really nice pink shade. I love that. I'm definitely going to get some of his glazes as well because I really want to get them. This beam gloss, I put it on my lips earlier. When I tell you, it's literally the best gloss I've ever seen in my life. They're so good. I just wish it was bigger because that will probably be gone because I put a load of lip gloss on for school. But you get a lot on the brush. Did you see that string? Hold on. Let me put it on for you guys real quick. This brush is a little weird, I won't quite lie. But do you see that little like purple shimmer? Love that. I probably shouldn't put it on yet because I'm going to be doing my makeup, but we'll see how it sits with this on top of it. And then the pressed blushes. This is in shade Strawberry. You guys can read that word. Strawberry Mojito. Strawberry Mojito? I don't know. But I love this packaging. Like, it's so unique. It's literally so unique. But this is the shade, and oh my god. It's a bit more deeper in person. Like, it's not as bright red in person. It looks so nice. I don't know if it's got a shimmer to it. No, this one hasn't got a shimmer to it. Looks like I've used it. I promise I haven't used it. It's like you just can't. All the packaging stuff's down there. But it's so pretty. And let's do a little swatch for you now. They're so buttery and soft. Look at that. I definitely need to get a blush to match that. It's a yes for me. I haven't even swatched this yet. So, next one. I got kind of similar colour, but it's not the same. It's a bit brighter, I think. This is in shade Giving Face. I love that name too. And this is what it looks like. It looks more orangey on camera, but I'd say it's more red. And I absolutely love this. It's just a little bit lighter, a little bit brighter than the other one, but absolutely love this. Let's do a little swatch for you. Almost forgot. I just done it with the same finger. That was stupid. They might look different. Yeah, they look different. Yeah, you can just see the difference. This one's a bit more peachy, I'd say, and this one's more on the red side, and definitely is a strawberry red. So I'm very excited to use that. Next, I'm gonna get red all over it. I didn't even know Made by Mitchell done mascara, and I've got one. So yeah, and the packaging was actually really nice. Let me get it for you. This is the packaging. Honestly, I might keep that. That is such a nice packaging. But it's a lash lacquer. I love the wand on it, and it's like Bright Blue. If I'll be using that today though, because I obviously want to wear eyelashes. But yeah, so these are all the products I'm going to be trying, and because they're all base products, I'm going to do my makeup off camera and I will come back to you when I'm starting my base. I have finished the eye look. The eyelashes are giving big, the eyebrows are giving wonky, but the eye look is giving slay. So let's move on to my base and use some of the Made by Mitchell products. So first, obviously, this isn't Made by Mitchell, but I'm going to be using the H&B foundation in shade, to read off there, LF6W. I'm not going to use that first. What am I about? I'm going to use the Prep and Perfect Illuminating Primer from Primark. That is quite a lot. So I'm just going to rub this in, and it should give me a nice glow. I'm itchy. I've also got Drip on my eyes, which is another Made by Mitchell product, which I absolutely love and adore. Okay, so now we're going to go with the H&B foundation, my all-time favourite foundation. I'm not a very talkative person when I'm doing this either, so if I don't talk, I'll just like fast forward it so you guys can, yeah. But I'm just tapping that in. I prefer using a brush like this. That is dirty, because I feel like it gets into the skin better, and then I go over it with a beauty blender because I feel like it goes over the skin a lot better. Probably put a bit too much on because a little bit goes a long way. I'm going to blend it out with a beauty blender now. This is actually my powdered one, but I can't find my other one, so I'm just going to use the other side where I don't powder on it. Okay, so now my H&B foundation is blended in. I'm going to use my putty bronzer from ELF, and it's the, lost the lid, I said that in the last video, but I've lost the lid, but it's the ELF putty bronzer, illuminating putty bronzer. And I'm going to use, where is it? I've got hair on my face, can't find it, but I'm just going to use a brush like this and just rub it in the product and then stamp it on the back of my hand to warm up a little bit, and then I just dab that on my face as a bit much on my cheeks, not forehead. Get that jawline gone, and then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just help blend that out. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love this white look. I actually kind of like it. Sorry if you can't see me, by the way. Sorry if I keep on looking over there as well. It's because I can see myself and what I'm doing over there. So that's why I'm looking over there and not in the camera the most. So I just need to look to see what I'm doing, you know, and see if I'm in the shot. So that is why. But it's time for the next step, which is blush. And I have two to choose from. I think I'm going to go with Shy Boy, and then we'll use this one on the lips later. So this is what she looks like in shade Shy Boy. If any of you guys, focus please, want to get it. It won't focus, but it's in shade Shy Boy. I literally cannot wait to use this. I've got hair sticking to my face. Lovely. I think I'll be too much. I might look a bit crazy after this video now. Definitely put too much on. We're going to try and blend it out. I want to blend it out with this, but I need to get all like the contour out of it. So I'm going to blend it with. These products, they blend so easily. Oh my. Well, it's very, very like pigmented. I think I put a little bit too much on. Maybe way too much. But it actually looks really, really pretty. Like, maybe with a little bit less product, it will look really nice. Either way, it does look pretty anyway. Just a little bit of less product. I definitely underestimated it. I was a bit too excited. Okay, I think I have fixed it. I definitely went a bit too heavy-handed. It's still a bit crazy, but once I put my powder on, it should be alright. And my concealer, obviously my concealer, I'm using my Maybelline New York one. And I'm just going to put that in my inner corner and anywhere else I think I need it. Love this concealer so much. If you haven't got it, go get it. I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend that in. I'm going to put a little bit more concealer on just to help the blush tone down a little bit more. Yeah, you can see that looks a lot better, so it doesn't look like my blush is crazy over the place. Yeah, it looks 100 times better. Okay, so now it's time to powder, and obviously I'm going to use my normal powder for this. Yeah, I'm going to use my normal powder. I was just wondering because I thought I needed to use my pressed powder, but I don't yet. And I'm obviously going to powder with my handy beauty blender, which I've been using pretty much all the time this video. And then I just take that under my eyes and pretty much all around my face because I love a matte base. Don't need to worry too much around this area because we're going to set it anyway. With the powder blush, so it doesn't really matter. But for now, just going to set my whole entire face. Can you see that? I've missed the whole entire chunk of my freaking face. Oh no, I haven't. It's just my camera being weird. It's just my camera being weird. Don't worry. Definitely my forehead. Right, now all matted out, we're going to use one of the pressed blushes. I'm so scared for this. I think I'm going to use Giving Face, which I believe is the deeper red. Or the brighter red. I think it's the brighter red. Yeah, it's the brighter red, but I want to use the deep red. So actually, I'm going to use Strawberry Mojo, which is the deeper red. And I'm going to take it on a fluffy brush, I think. That was one dip into the pan. I'm going to wipe some of that off. Oh my god. Oh. There is brush streaks on my face. Maybe this brush wasn't the best idea. I'm going to take Real Techniques brush and blend. If I get up close, can you see that? There's like brush strokes on my face. I don't know if that's my brush choice or not. It's never done that before, so it's probably my brush. Anyway, but I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. Oh, there we go. It's getting better. Don't worry, guys. It is getting better. There is just a whole lot of blush on my face right now. But you know what? Here for it. Look at that. That's actually quite nice. I'm going to use this brush for that. Next side, because that brush was a little bit weird. Don't know why that brush was doing that. This is so pigmented. This is just so pigmented. I had one dip into the pan. One dip. one dip into the freaking pan and it's all over my cheeks. I'd say it's very hard to work with. It's very, very hard to work with because it's so pigmented. Maybe it's just my brush choices, but I don't know. I'm just going to go in with a big fluffy brush like this that hasn't got any product on it, and I'm just going to... The camera isn't picking it up, but I kind of look crazy right now. My under eyes are creasing. What the hell? I literally just put powder on, but I look hella crazy. Like, I look so crazy right now. And the pink does not contrast with the green whatsoever. But I'm going to put a slight bit of powder over it to see if it will tone it down. Maybe. It's mainly at the front here. That's all. Just like it to be a little bit lighter at the front. Definitely underestimated them. It's because the one that I have, shade Pinkles, isn't very pigmented. But this one seems to be very, very pigmented. So beware with that. But now I believe we're moving on to the lips. So let's move on to the lips. I'm just going to take off the lip gloss. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to be using Selling Cookies or Drip in shade Selling Cookies. That's what I meant. I'm just going to line my lips. I think that's a little bit better. But I'm going to take the Meb by Mitchell Blowing Kisses blush, and I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. This is such a deep pink, I love it. And I'm just going to take a brush like this, dip it in there, and I'm just going to okay, wow, that is such a nice lip combo. Need some more pink in there. The pink does not contrast with the green, but this lip is looking really good, and I love how it dries down matte as well, and it's not sticky matte either. My lips look juicy as hell. Love that. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Beam Gloss, which I put on the start, which I absolutely love already. This is the applicator. You see the little purple shimmers. I wonder what this is going to look like on top. The applicator is really nice to like get in there because it's like perfectly shaped for it, which I really like. Is there shades in these? It's called Eyeshadow. I don't know how you say it. This lip combo is everything. Although it looks like I've got lip filler. This lip combo is everything. Let me just... Let me pick you up. Focus please on my lips. Yeah, it looks stunning. This is probably my new favourite lip combo. If you want it, then here is the lip combo in shade Selling Cookies. Can't see that, but Eyeshadow Beam and Blowing Kisses blush. But anyway guys, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and let me know what you want me to do in my next video because I have no clue what I want to do. So yeah, bye guys.